கழகத்துடைய தலைமையில் தேர்தலை சந்திச்சு வென்ற தோழமை இயக்க சட்டமன்ற உறுப்பினருடைய ஆதரவோடு ஆட்சி அமைத்திருக்கக்கூடிய புதிய அரசிற்கும் மாண்பு முதலமைச்சர் அவர்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களை நான் மீண்டும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றேன். மாண்புமிகு பேரவைத் தலைவர் அவர்களுக்கும் பேரவை துணைத் தலைவர் அவர்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய நன்றி. உங்களுடைய பணிகள் சிறக்கட்டும். மீண்டும் என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம். வெல்க தமிழ், வாழ்க தமிழ்நாடு. மக்களை பிரிக்கும் சனாதானம் நிச்சயம் ஒழிக்கப்பட வேண்டும். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
In the Tamil Nadu Assembly on Tuesday, DMK leader and leader of opposition Udhayanidhi Stalin reiterated his stand against Sanatana Dharma in his maiden speech as LOP, stating that it divides the people and must be abolished. Earlier in September 2023, he made similar remarks which had triggered nationwide outrage and led to multiple court cases filed by pro-Hindu organizations. He also raised concerns over the alleged sidelining of Thai Vazhthu during the recent swearing-in ceremony, saying the state invocation song was placed third instead of being given its customary priority. He said such an incident should not be repeated in the assembly and stressed that his party would not allow it. He insisted that Thai Vazhthu must always be given priority at all government and public events in Tamil Nadu. He further urged the government to ensure that protocol is not compromised, saying vigilance was needed to protect the state's rights and traditions. He also said the change had caused anger and shock among the people and recalled that the previous DMK government had resisted attempts by Governor R.N. Ravi to alter established conventions in 2023. Outlining the role of the opposition, he quoted DMK founder C.N. Annadurai, describing the opposition as the brakes of a vehicle or reins of a bull meant to guide governance in the public interest. He said the opposition would function constructively rather than merely oppose the government, noting that near equal strength of the ruling and opposition benches and welcoming the increased presence of women and first-time MLAs. In a lighter moment, he noted that he, Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay and Speaker J.C.D. Prabhakar were all alumni of Loyola College, joking that the DMK remained the senior batch politically. Reaffirming commitment to the Dravidian model, he said the opposition would closely monitor the government to ensure everything is for everyone is upheld and urged the speaker to remain neutral. Reacting strongly to the remarks, RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hosabali dismissed the remarks, saying Sanatana is the spirit and soul of the nation and a world view, not just a religious practice. Udhayanidhi Stalin strongly reiterated his stand that Sanatana Dharma must certainly be abolished, maintaining his position that it divides people and should be eradicated. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.